The Steducentre Grade 6 A&A Exam Review Maths 2013. 1.1. What is the next number in the number sequence? 13, 17, 21, 25. A. 28, B. 29, C. 30, D. 46.
The numbers are going up by 4 each time, so your next number in your sequence is 29. Number patterns have a relationship with each other, something in common that works for the whole pattern. So the correct answer is B, 29. 1.2. Which number is missing in the number pattern? 9.17, 9.15, 9.13, something, 9.09. Is it A, 9, B, 9.10, C, 9.11, or D, 9.12? The numbers are going down by negative 0.02 each time. So your next number in your sequence is 9.11. Number patterns have a relationship with each other, something in common that works for the whole pattern. You will need to always check that the pattern works. So your correct answer is C, 9.11. What is the length of the pencil shown below? The length of the pencil is A, 56 centimeters, B, 5.6 millimeters, C, 0.56 meters, or D, 5.6 centimeters. The ruler is measured in centimeters, or 5 centimeters and 6 millimeters. So the correct answer is D, 5.6 centimeters. You need to be able to convert from millimeters to centimeters by dividing by 10, from centimeters to meters by dividing by 100, and from meters to kilometers by dividing by 1,000. You also need to be able to convert from kilometers to meters by multiplying by 1,000, from meters to centimeters by multiplying by 100, and from centimeters to millimeters by multiplying by 10. Question 1.4. 22 plus 35 is equal to 63 minus a triangle. What is the triangle equal to? Is it A, 6, B, 26, C, 41, or D, 57? What is the meaning of the equal to sign? It means everything on the one side is equal to everything on the other side. 22 plus 35 is equal to 57. So 63 minus what is going to give you 57? 63 minus 6. So the answer is A for the triangle. What is the median of the data set below? 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50. Is it A, 20, B, 30, C, 40, or D, 50? The mean is the average or norm. You add up all the values to find the total, divide the total by the number of values you have added together. The median is the middle value. Put all of the values in order. The median is the middle value. If there are two values in the middle, find the mean of these two. Mode is the most frequent value. Count how many of each value appears. The mode is the value that appears the most. You can have more than one mode. The range is the difference between the lowest and the highest value. Find the highest and lowest values. Subtract the lowest value from the highest and you will get your range. In this case, you will arrange your numbers from the smallest to the largest, and your number in the middle will be 40. That is your median. Round off 347, 659 off to the nearest 100,000. Is it A, 300,000, B, 348,000, C, 350,000, or D, 400,000? When you are rounding off to the nearest thousand, if the hundreds number is 5 or greater, round up to the nearest thousand. If the hundreds number is 4 or less, round down to the nearest thousand. If you are rounding to the nearest 10,000, if the thousand number is 5 or greater, round up to the nearest 10,000. If the thousands number is 4 or less, round down to the nearest 10,000. Rounding to the nearest 100,000. If the 10,000 number is 5 or greater, round up to the nearest 100,000. If the 10,000 number is 4 or less, round down to the nearest 1,000. So the correct answer is 300,000. We round down. So your answer is A. Which one of the following numbers is a factor of 81? Is it A7, B8, C18, or D27? A factor is A number or quantity that when multiplied with another produces a given number or expression. So x times x is equal to 81, which is a factor multiplied by a factor is equal to a product. Therefore, 1 times 81 is equal to 81. 3 times 27 is equal to 81. 9 times 9 is equal to 81. These are all the factors. The answer is D, 27. That is a factor. What capacity does the arrow on the jug indicate? A, 310 milliliters, B, 325 milliliters, C, 320 milliliters, or D, 3.1 liters? The answer is 325 milliliters, B. What fraction of the diagram is shaded? Is it 1/4, A, 3/8, B, 1/2, C, or D, 5/8? The total number of blocks is 16, which will indicate your denominator. The number that was shaded in is 6, which would indicate your numerator. So 6/16 is the same as 3/8. So your correct answer is B. Which 2D shape shows the left-hand view of the 3D object? Is it A, B, C, or D? A thing you can think about is, what would the shadow look like? You can push all the items in that direction. So the answer is B. We can see what the right view, the left view, the back view, and the top view would look like. Write the number symbol for the following number: 342,650,798. The number is 342,650,798. 342,650,798. Write down the next prime number: 19, 23, 29. So what is a prime number? A prime number is a whole number which can only be divided by itself and 1. A prime number must have exactly 2 factors. So the next prime number is 31. From 1 to 100, your prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. What is the value of the underlying digit in 45,678,921? Numbers have place values and each place represents something. Look at 9,359,846. The position of the numbers tells you something. For the 6, there are 6 ones. For the 4, there are 4 tens. For the 8, there are 8 hundreds. For the 9, there are 9 9,000s. For 5, there are 5 10,000s. For 3, there are 300,000s. For 9, there are 9 millions. If you add these together, you will go back to the total. So 45,678,921 with the 4 underlined will give you 40 million. 5.1. 43,489 plus 345,987 plus 307 will give you. The correct answer is 389,783. So you'd say 9 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 23 units. Carry 2. Write down 3. 8 plus 8 plus 0 is equal to 16. Plus the 2 you carried is equal to 18. Write down 8. 10s carry the 1. 4 plus 9 plus 3 is equal to 16. Plus the 1 you carried is equal to 17. Write down the 7. Carry the 1. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Plus 1 is equal to 9 thousandths. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 10,000s. And 3 plus 0 and 0 is equal to 300,000. The 3 in the 300,000s place. 495,089 minus 85,847. The correct answer is 409,242. So 9 minus 7 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. 0 minus 8 does not work, so you borrow 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Then you say 5 minus 1 you borrowed is 4. 4 minus 9 does not work, so you borrow 10 again. So 14 minus 5 is 9. And then 8 minus 8 is equal to 0 because you've borrowed the 1. And 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 3097 multiplied by 249. It is very important to know your times table. In this case, you need to know your 2, 4, and 9 times table. So your 2 times table is 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 9 is 18. Your 4 times table. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 6 is 24, 4 times 7 is 28, 4 times 8 is 32, 4 times 9 is 36. Your 9 times table. 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, 9 times 4 is 36, 9 times 5 is 45, 9 times 6 is 54, 9 times 7 is 63, 9 times 8 is 72, 9 times 9 is 81. So 9 times 7 is equal to 63. You use the 3 and carry the 6. 9 times 9 is 81, plus the 6 you carried is equal to 87. Use the 7, and you will carry the 8. 9 times 0 is 9, plus the 8 you carried is 8. And 9 times 3 is 27. Therefore, you've got 27,873. Then you add the 0 for the tens place. 4 times 7 is 28. You use the 8, carry the 2. 4 times 9 is equal to 36, plus the 2 you carry is equal to 38. Use the 8, carry the 3. 4 times 0 is 0, plus the 3 you carried. Write down the 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So the next one is 123,880. Then you add the 0 for the hundreds place. 2 times 7 is 14. You use the 4, carry the 1. 2 times 9 is equal to 18, plus the 1 you carried gives you 9. 2 times 0 is equal to 0, plus the 1 that was carried. That will put down the 1. Then 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So you'll have 619,400. Nope. Adding all of these together, you will get 771,153. Fill in the missing digits in the division sum. 36 divided by 3,924. It is important to be able to do multiplication. So 1 times 36 is 36. 2 times 36 is 72, which is just 36 plus 36. 3 times 36 is 108, which is 36 plus 36 plus 36. So the missing numbers is 36, because 1 times 36 is 36. And then you will add the next missing number, which is the 324, which is 9 times 36. 4 and 1 over 8 plus 3 and 3 over 8. Because the denominators are both the same, 8, you can just add. So it becomes 4 and 1 over 8 plus 3 over 8, which is equal to 7, and 4 over 8, which is same as 7.5. 20% of 400. It is very important to be able to convert from fractions to decimals, to be able to depict it in a diagram, to work out what it is out of 10, and to know what the percentage is. Here you can see the relationship between each of them. 1 over 10 as a fraction is the same as 0.1, which is the same as 1 shaded block out of 10, which is the same as 10 out of 100, which is the same as 10%. 2 over 10 is the same as 0.2, which is the same as 2 blocks out of the 10 that are shaded, which is the same as 20 over 100, which is the same as 20%, etc. So 400 times 20 divided by 100 is equal to 400 times 1 over 5, which is equal to 80. There are other ways to do this, but you should still come up with the answer of 80. Thank you for watching the Steducentre, turning ordinary learners into extraordinary leaders.